Welcome. If you've been wondering how to start a group chat on the X app, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process so you can easily create a group and start chatting with multiple friends or colleagues all in one place. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, because you'll need that access to send and receive messages. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a few icons there, and the one you're looking for is the message icon. Go ahead and tap that. Now you'll be taken straight into your message section. Here, you can see all your past conversations, but what we're going to do is create something new. In the top corner, there's a new message icon. Tap on it to begin. After that, you'll see several options appear. This is where you'll want to choose Create a Group. By selecting this, the app knows you're interested in starting a conversation that includes more than just one person. Next comes the fun part, selecting the people you'd like to add to your new group. You'll see your contacts listed, so scroll through and tap on the names of the people you'd like to bring into the conversation. You can add as many as you need, and once you're all set, simply tap Create. And that's it. You've successfully made a group message on the X app. From here, you can send texts, share media, and keep everyone connected in a single chat thread. It's really that simple. Creating a group is one of the easiest ways to keep conversations organized. Whether you're planning an event, collaborating with teammates, or just hanging out with friends online. With just a few taps, you'll have everyone in the loop, and you won't need to repeat yourself in multiple one-on-one chats.